In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy QQQ on Fidelity. Buying QQQ, which is the Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF, follows the exact same flow as buying any stock on Fidelity, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you feel confident placing your order. First, open the Fidelity app or head to the website and sign in to your brokerage account. Make sure you're in the account you actually want to use for the purchase, especially if you have multiple accounts, like a taxable brokerage and a retirement account. Next, use the search bar at the top. Type QQQ, then select the listing for the Invesco QQQ Trust ETF. You should see the ticker, the current price, and a basic quote. This confirms you're on the right fund before you place an order. From the QQQ page, tap Trade or Buy. Choose Buy to start your purchase order. You'll now see the order ticket. Begin by confirming the correct account. Then enter your quantity. Some Fidelity accounts support fractional shares, which means you can buy in dollars instead of whole shares. If that's available to you, choose whether you want to enter the number of shares or a dollar amount. Now pick your order type. A market order aims to buy immediately at the best available price. It's the simplest option but can vary slightly from the last quoted price, especially when the market is moving quickly. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. If the market stays above your limit, your order won't execute, which helps you avoid price surprises. Finally, choose your time in force. Day means the order will try to fill today and then expire. GTC, or good till canceled, keeps the order active for a longer window as defined by Fidelity until it fills or you cancel it. Before you submit, tap Preview Order. This is your chance to double-check everything: the account, the ticker QQQ, the quantity or dollar amount, the order type, and the time in force. You'll also see an estimated cost. Fidelity typically offers $0 commissions on many ETF trades, though tiny regulatory fees may apply. If everything looks right, tap Place Order. You'll receive a confirmation and can monitor the status in your Orders or Activity tab. If you used a limit order and it doesn't fill, you can modify the price or cancel it later. A few quick notes as you get comfortable. QQQ tracks the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 and trades like a stock during normal market hours. It can be more volatile, so starting small and using limit orders can help you stay in control. This walkthrough is for education only. Always invest according to your own plan.